Hello lovely people! In today's video, I'm here with my mother. If you're wondering who gave birth to me, it's this gorgeous woman right here. If you think that this is her first time on my channel, no, you're wrong. We filmed a video with my mom and with my dad a few months ago. It was probably a year ago. Anyways, we filmed a video, the three of us, and it was so much fun. So if you guys haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend you to check it out after you finish watching this video, of course. So today I'm gonna be doing her makeup. She's really excited and I hope you guys enjoy watching. Right, so I zoom in for you guys so that you can see what I'm doing better. Now, I'm going to be out of the plan for a while, but you guys have seen me so many times. I don't think that it's important to see my face today again. So let's take off these glasses. I'm gonna clip her bangs like this. Bloop. Oh, she looks like a schoolgirl. I'll use some of the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Primer. She has pretty dry skin, like me, so this is going to really help moisturize her skin and make the makeup look as good as possible. Alright, beautiful. I'm gonna first do her eyes. So I'm priming them with some of the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer. And I'm gonna use my fingers to blend it out. Before I move on to the eyeshadows, I'm gonna take some face powder. This is my favorite Rimmel Stay Matte powder. And I will apply it just in her crease, right here. You guys know that this is going to make the eyeshadows blend a lot easier. Today on her eyes, I'm gonna do something a little bit more natural because she's not used to wearing makeup. So if I do something very dramatic, she's going to be shocked. And I don't want to shock her, okay? So I'm going to do something a little bit more toned down, something that she's going to feel comfortable wearing. So from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, I'm gonna take the shadow coat Sandalwood and I will place that in her crease. I'm taking a very small amount of eyeshadow at a time and slowly building up the color. And this eyeshadow will also go in the outer corner of her eye. Next, I'll take the shade called Cocoa, and this will go in the outer corner of her eyes, just to add some depth in there. And you can see how that instantly lifted her eyes. Now I'll go ahead and add some of the bright shimmery eyeshadows from the palette. I'm gonna take the shadow coat Moon Dust. Then I'm gonna spray my brush with some MAC Fix Plus. And I'll add that on her eyes. This is such an easy look, you guys. We just used 3 eyeshadows and look how pretty result we got. Just super effortless. I also like applying this shimmery eyeshadow with my finger. It just comes out a lot brighter. Yep. You like it? You guys, I feel so weird that you don't see me. I really hope you don't mind, but today the focus is on my mother, not on me. So I already primed her face with really moisturizing primer, and now I'm gonna take the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. I'll add some of this just on her T-zone. She has some more visible pores in these areas here, so I wanna kind of blur them.
Може ли да се почиш?
Къде те сърби?
Окото.
Къде?
Тук вътре.
Давай.
Добре.
For foundations, I'm gonna mix the Rimmel Match Perfection with the Essence #InstaPerfect. Just gonna take both of them on the back of my hand. Oh, we're out of focus. Okay, back in focus. You can't imagine how happy she was when I suggested her to do video together. She was so excited for me to do her makeup. If you're wondering why she's so shy and so quiet, it's because she knows very little English. I can be the bridge between you and her, but she's also a little bit shy. You need to see her in that other video that we filmed together with my father. But she doesn't really know what I'm talking about right now, so that's why she's quiet. Don't think that I make her not speak at all. No, she's allowed to talk, but she just don't know how to say anything in English. Кажи нещо на английски.
Аз?
Да.
Не мога. Аз ще говоря за българската аудитория.
Добре, става. So we're going to keep on moving with the makeup. I'm gonna do her eyebrows right now. Now, my mom used to have really bushy, really full and fat eyebrows. They were very dramatic, and she has black hair. Her eyebrows were really like thick and black, and I made her trim them and plug them to the point that at some point she didn't even have any eyebrows on, to be honest with you, and it was my fault. But she grew them back, and I'm really happy with how they look right now. She's really happy with how they look right now, and I'm not gonna do a lot of work on her brows. She already has really good shape. So let me just zoom in for you. I'm gonna take my Benefit Brow Vo. Oops, I almost dropped that. And I'm just gonna wait, hold on, not yet. She has some foundation on her eyebrows, really small amount, but it's driving me crazy. So I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay, and I'm gonna brush them with that brow primer. This is like brow gel. It's really good. I love it.
Да ми направиш красиви вещи.
Добре. Най-красивите.
Да.
And to fill them in, I'm taking the brow powder Duo by Sigma in dark, and I'll take the darker shade from the set. To be honest with you, I didn't really like her with thick eyebrows. I think that they didn't look good on her, but I think that this amount of eyebrow on her face it's just the right amount. I think that they look great on her. Oh, and I forgot to mention that she's plucking and trimming her eyebrows herself. I'm telling you, this woman has potential. She's not into makeup, she's not wearing makeup at all, but if she was, she would be able to do some bomb looks. I'm certain, I'm 100% sure. Hello? Okay, I'm gonna take some highlighter and I'm gonna use that to highlight her brow bone. I'm gonna mix two NARS concealers for her. The one is in the shade Vanilla and the other one is in the shade Creme Brulee.
Запаш с крем брюле?
Creme Brulee. Wow, look how that under eye concealer make her look so much more awake. Nice, I like that. Now I'm gonna mix this eyeshadow with this one. This is the same Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm gonna smudge that under her lower lashes. Now I'm lining her eyes with the Milk Makeup eyeliner in the shade, what is the shade? I don't know. It's like a dark brown eye pencil. So then I'm gonna smudge it so that it doesn't look that harsh.
Усилях.
Жива ли си?
Да.
Добре, много се радвам. Там спиралка ще я подаря.
Наистина?
Ще я слагаш ли?
Да.
Alright, lashes are on, eyes are almost done. We just need to highlight the inner corners, but I'm gonna go there in a while. Now let's go ahead and finish up with the face makeup. I'm gonna pick this shade right here with the Sigma F05, and I'm gonna carve out her cheeks. Направи така. My mama fish right here. Let's do the fish face. Okay, for blush, I'm taking the Yayy Flirt Blush Duo, and I'm gonna mix the two colors. Smile. She knows. I just can't stop putting blush on these cheeks. Look how sweet they are. Okay, I need to stop. I need to stop. For highlighter, I'm taking the Tatcha Denona Super Glow and I'm adding that on the highest points of her cheeks. I'm using a small amount because usually the highlighter exaggerates the texture of the skin. So I'm gonna make sure that the highlighter is not too much. A little glow is always a good idea, but too much glow wouldn't look that good on her. And that highlighter will also go in the inner corner of her eyes. Alright, okay. Oh yeah, yes. Moving on to the lips. I'm gonna first line them with the lip liner by NABLA Cosmetics. This is in the shade Rosy Magnolia. These NABLA lip liners are so soft, you guys. This lip color looks so good on her. This is the Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Mocha. And lastly, some setting spray. Okay, we're done. And this is our final look. And this is our final look. What do you guys think? I think that she looks beautiful. Oh. We were talking throughout the video and I suggested that we do one more video, but I wanted to do on her something more dramatic, something more dark, and she was like, yeah. And I was like, let's do a clubbing night makeup look, and she was like, let's do a rock concert makeup look. I was like, what? Yeah, let's do that. I would be so happy to do that. Also, when I was applying that lipstick on her, she was like, wow, this is such a beautiful color lipstick. So I'm gonna give it away to her, but I think that she will start using some more makeup after this video. I really hope that I'm gonna be able to take her hand and lead her in the world of makeup. So let us know if you'd like to see her on my channel again. Let me know if you'd like to see me doing makeup on other people except for my mom, so that you can see different faces, different features, different makeup looks on different faces. I think that this is going to be interesting, so let me know if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos. I decided to start off with my mom because, I mean, I feel comfortable with her. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, there is that bell button right here next to the subscribe button, so if you click it, you will be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram,
Facebook, YouTube,
Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you.
And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Bye!
Bye bye!
Bye!